Hello, and welcome to Nisaru Technology. A special welcome to all our subscribers. Thank you for being here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest videos. In our last lesson, we learned the processes and operations of manufacturing with the supply chain module. On our menu of today is the discrete manufacturing. Discrete manufacturing is the production of distinct items. Actually, it is an industry term for the manufacturing of finished products that are distinct items capable of being easily counted, touched, or seen. Discrete manufacturing involves parts and systems like nuts and bolts, brackets, wires, assemblies, and individual products. Examples of products made from discrete manufacturing include automobiles, furniture, airplanes, toys, smartphones, and defense systems. In theory, a discrete product can be broken down at the end of its life cycle so its basic components can be recycled. Discrete manufacturers use a bill of materials, called BOM. Production follows a route, such as an assembly line. Discrete manufacturing includes the following characteristics: order-based production, production in individual production orders. Product changes frequently. Varying sequence of work centers, complex routings. Semi-finished products often put into interim storage. Components staged with reference to order. Status processing. Completion confirmation, backflush, for individual operations or orders. Order-based cost accounting. Builds, assembles, produces in low volume with high complexity or high volume of low complexity. Makes products. Raw materials are most often measured in pieces. Products are usually scaled for an output of 1. Only has one product output. Waste can only be accounted for on raw material lines. In discrete manufacturing, the production of items follows a sequential production lifecycle. The lifecycle reflects the steps that are required to manufacture an item. You first create the production order and end it with a finished, manufactured item that is ready for the customer. Each step in the lifecycle requires different kinds of information. At each step, the status of the production order changes. That is for today. In our next video, we will learn the process manufacturing and lean manufacturing. Please subscribe and like this video so that you get notified for the next video.